What's up, guys? So today we're going to be replacing the little heater blower resistor. So the motor's not working, so I'm going to try the resistor. I also bought a motor as well, so I'll be doing a video on how to replace the blower motor. So we're just going to replace this, see if it fixes it. And yeah, so anyway, so we're in the passenger side of the Jeep here, and we're just going to take this guy off here. All we need is a little 5/16 socket here. So there's, I believe, 3 bolts. So just gonna undo them. All right, so it's just gonna pressure fit in there. We're gonna move on to the resistor here. So we'll just like that, push that little down. Yep, same size for the rest of this. Okay, pull it out. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got like got a lot of junk in there. So that's kind of dirty. So we're just gonna grab the new one now. Just stick it in here. Okay, and then just push this little red locking clip back in, and we're good to go. So all right, so that didn't fix my problem, but it might fix your problem. It's a pretty reasonable part just to replace. As you can see, this one's full of just junk and everything like that. So got the new one in, but if this didn't fix it, definitely check out the next video that I'm going to be doing replacing the blower motor. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, hope it helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.